Hey guys, I built this side project in a weekend using SaasRock B2B2C portals. It basically creates landing pages to get votes, emails, and or pre-orders. Let me show you. I'm gonna create a quick landing page, and this will be I'll migrate SaasRock to, or I mean just the title, SaasRock to Next.js, and I will fix the subdomain. And then on the heading of my landing page, I'll build SaasRock using Next.js or migrate it. Currently, SaasRock is built with Remix. Now I can put a logo here, and I'm gonna use my SaasRock one. And I'm looking for a logo, not an icon. And then these are my milestones. What do I want to get from this? Votes, emails, customers, or sales. Let's say that I want to get 100 emails, like leads, and the goal is 100. And the CTA label for my prospects or leads will be I'm interested. Now I'm gonna add another milestone that it will trigger or enable once I hit the first one. And this one I want to get, instead of having like this, I will put pre-order at 50, final price 4.99, just the same as SaasRock Core Edition. And the goal is to get 100 customers or pre-orders. Pre-order now, and the price will be 50. Now for this, I will need to connect my Stripe account. But finally, I'm gonna add an image, and I could add the one that I use for SaasRock social graph, and just click create, and I can preview the portal here. So I have my heading, my subheading, the gallery images or videos, and then I have this milestone, and the user can put its email here, and this is showing how many signups have I gotten from this. And then once I reach this milestone, the pre-orders will trigger. So yeah, this is basically it. I'm gonna launch this tomorrow on May 7th, and I'm actually going to create a teaser right now. So I'm gonna use, oh, by the way, you can change quick things like, I don't know, let's change the theme to green and to dark and see how it looks. And you can also change, wait, what happened to the logo? I'm not sure, maybe it broke, but anyway. And then I will add a link to SaasRock and see how it looks here. Website. Of course, I need to change all of these links to icons. And yeah, I will have my users here and my payments, my votes, my email subscribers. But what was I going to do? Oh yeah, the teaser. Title, EarlyBee. And then the description. And then for this image, this is a desktop banner. So I like to go to Canva. And this is a ratio of 1:2. Actually, I created this image that I can use. And then I will resize it to a custom size, which is 1 and 2, just like Product Hunt needs it. So I'm gonna add this scheduled Product Hunt launch and subscribe it. So tomorrow you can have the link. I'm just gonna end the video with setting the desktop here. Where is it? Oh, but I need a white background and not a transparent one. Validate, collect emails. Well, that doesn't look bad. Oops. It's because I don't have a white background. But anyway, I'm gonna write a whole blog post about how I came up with the idea on day one, and then, oops, this should be day one, and then how I built the front end, and I made a quick videos on how to set up the Postmark emails, Tribe account, how I started with the end feature, meaning the portal, so I can have this quick product to validate it and to see if it's worth the time and how much I spent building it and so on. So I'm gonna link in the description the project to the product hunt launch.